Hello everyone, my name is Pooja Devdas Nikam. So today's date 10 March 2022. So I'm going to explain on today's video topic multi-threading in a Java programming language. So what is a multi-threading and why is in a Java programming language multi-threading? What are the types of multi-threading and how to implement the multi-threading? So what are the types of method? So firstly, I can explain the one by one. Then you can easily understand. So multi-threading is available in a Java programming language. So multi-threading is a process of executing the multiple threads simultaneously. So it's called as a multi-threading. So multi-threading is also used to the multitasking and multi-processing. So thread is also lightweight sub process and smallest unit of processing. So it's called as a thread. So multi-threading is also multitasking and multi-processing. So multitasking is also execute the multiple tasks to. It's called as multitasking, and another one is multi-processing. So it's processing to the processor is also process the process. So it's so called as a processing. So there are creating a thread. First one is by extending a thread, and another one is by implement the runnable interface. So there are two way also creating a thread. First one is a thread. So thread to thread we also extend. Then we thread is also extend. Then we also create the thread. And we if you not create a if you create a class but you cannot extend the thread, then we not execute the thread. So suppose I can explain the by extending a thread example. Suppose one class is also create. Suppose abcd class is also create, and suppose we can extend the thread, then we also create the thread. And also a thread class is also available in a run method. Then we also print the message, suppose hi. Then we another class is also create the pqr. Then we another pqr is also extend the thread. then we also um, then we also available in a run method. Run method is also call. Then we also hello. Then we main method is also calling the abcd and pqr thread. Then we also thread is also start. Then we also print the hi hello. And another one is runnable. So another one is implement the runnable interface. So runnable interface is also first class is also implement the runnable interface. So we can create the thread by using runnable implement runnable method interface. So we also called as suppose we can create the one class. Suppose pqr, and so it's implement to the runnable. Then we also available in a run method. Then we run method is also calling. So run method is also calling, and another thread is also another class is also student. So student class is also extend the student class is also implement the runnable interface. So runnable interface is also implement then available in a run method. So it's also print the message. Then we also thread start and start. So it's a thread is also start, and multi-threading is also available in a multiple method is also start and join, add, daemon thread, and another one is also available in a thread dot sleep. So thread dot sleep is also millisecond is also thread sleeping mode. Then we sometime we also sleep, then we also execute the program. And another one is a set priority and set priority, great priority, daemon. So it's all about the available in a multi threading in a Java programming language. So thank you for watching video.